Making sure your equipment is up to date with the latest firmware version is important to ensure your equipment functions at its best. In this video, we will show you how to schedule an upgrade to occur at a time and date that is convenient for you. To schedule an upgrade, you'll need to log into your iNet control account. If you only need to upgrade the firmware on one unit and you know the serial number, you can search for it in the search bar on the top right. Alternatively, you can open the equipment list page located under the Equipment tab. Once the list of your equipment is showing, if the Upgrade Available column is not visible, go to the Column Chooser button and scroll down to the Upgrade Available heading. Then drag this heading into your equipment list. Now you will be able to see any instruments that have a new firmware version available. You will also see the option to schedule the upgrade. To schedule an upgrade, click on the Schedule link next to each device you wish to upgrade. This will open a new page where you can choose the time and date you would like the upgrade to occur. Once finished, click OK to save the schedule. You can confirm a firmware upgrade has been scheduled by referring to the Quick Links section on the right-hand side of the screen. The unit will upgrade when it is first docked after the scheduled date and time, or if it remains docked, it will upgrade once this time and date has been reached. If you want to learn more about how to get the most out of the iNet Control platform, the team at your local AirMet Scientific office are happy to help with any questions you may have.